What's going on, guys? So we're driving over to my buddy's shop, Adrenaline Performance. I got my new wheels tire mounted, so I'm heading over to his shop so he can help me button everything up. All right, so I got the tires mounted on the wheels, and I took them home so I could take the old wheels off and put the new wheels on, and you know, dial in the setup and everything. While I was doing that, I had to remove those 50mm spacers I had on with my old set of wheels, because it's what I needed to use to get the fitment right. All right, anyways, so I was trying to take the 50mm spacers off, and this is the first time I tried taking them off since we put them on, and they're just not having it. They don't want to come off. I guess they love it there in the wheel weld, you know. They don't want to come off at all. I've broken like 4 or 5 tools just trying to get it off. You know, my baby tools ain't cutting it, so I hit up a couple of my friends that I know had the big boy tools, and my buddy Ryan, who owns Adrenaline Performance, was like, you know, swing on by, I'll help you out, this and that, you know, I got all the tools you need. All right, so that's the air compressor kicking on from the air suspension setup. It's pretty loud on the inside of the car when it's filling up the tank. You don't really hear anything on the outside though, which is fine with me. Made it to the shop. Bye-bye. Yeah, they're going bye-bye. Ooh, you can't look at those yet. Yeah, if you're in Jacksonville and you need help, Adrenaline Performance. This is Dustin's Widebody RX-7. Oh, on them sexy ass AGs. This thing's crazy. Oh, what up, Caesar? What up, Trevor?
How's it going, man?
What up, brother?
What's your name, dude?
Alex.
Alex.
Yeah, we met that one time, not too long ago.
I meet so many people.
Yeah, no, I get it.
So you got some wheels?
Alright, I'm going in the car.
Yeah, you go in the car. Rocking them Timbs, huh?
Bench welds and their frame rails have seen better days.
Oh my god, yes they have.
Yeah.
It's freaking ridiculous. So for the front, I've been using the tow hook as a jack point.
Yeah. Oh man.
My man.
What's up? She's pretty.
City being a pain in the ass, man?
Always. When does the city not be in a pain in the ass?
I don't see how it's your problem, though.
Technically, it falls under the duty of the building owner that I'm leasing from.
That's what I would think.
My broker found out he put it in the lease that he's not liable for it. It's gonna cost about $2,000.
What?
He was like, "Why isn't your 2J done yet?" That's why. Because every month I have to pay some dumb, outrageous fee to the city, or something comes up, or something breaks, or that's why. Trevor's expensive, and you know, I guess when I finish building his SR,
He's gonna be like, "Oh, thanks, bro."
new job.
He's gonna dip out.
Well, these are pretty. That's a lot of meat.
Yeah, not bad,
See,
right?
for going fast, Trevor, not sideways.
I mean, I could have went meatier, but then you know,
Nah,
I'm already scared about fitment issues. You
I
know,
have to get a picture of it next to the 7. What's up with your suspension?
it's all fucked.
Why? Put some coilers in the damn thing. Or wait, you're on air, aren't you?
I'm on air, so I just aired up for him. Yeah, I just had these done this morning. The only reason I had them mount the tires is because I purchased the tires from them.
Okay.
Just convenience.
Well,
You know.
at least they managed to do it without scratching
You should have
anything.
told me.
Oh, I
Jared's
was-
right around the corner.
Who's that?
Jared Santiago.
Yeah.
Oh.
My buddy Jared, he's really good at mounting wheels like these.
Well, I was adamant about the whole, like, you scratch the wheel, you're buying me another wheel
Right.
kind of thing.
Yeah.
And they
No,
just-
he deals with a lot of very expensive wheels.
And he's over 40. I say we put it on the car and try and set it down. It's not going to deviate from the weight of the car.
Yeah.
If anything, it'd be turning.
I would be afraid of it beating that.
Yeah, for sure.
Something to keep in mind.
Well, that's not scary at all.
Dude, it's
Tattoos come out crisp on the camera, man.
They look good. You got to park next to Dustin when it's done. Get those wide body shots.
Oh, he's going to be salty.
Nah, he'll be all right.
No. I wouldn't be happy if he wasn't salty. I remember we had a discussion on someone's post, and he was like, "I got the most expensive wheels in Jacksonville," and I put like one of those like confused, like thinking about it faces, and he was like, "What's that mean?"
He probably didn't know you bought new wheels, honestly. He doesn't stay on Facebook like I do.
Yeah, I have to mute everything.
Yeah, you know, Lincoln Park will ding me. He was gonna take me for a ride in this, and then he pulled the motor like a deep bag.
The other one's the one you want to ride in, the black one. You're the second person to say that in 2 days. Lucy said that shit to me yesterday.
Oh yeah. Now I get to slap one of those adrenaline stickers on my windshield.
Oh yeah.
You can't yet.
Not this windshield though. That one's all smashed. So what happens when you go to Atlanta and back? Semi throws rocks at you.
Oh yeah.
Cracks your windshield. So it wasn't just me then. I was like, man, I gotta hit the gym. Holy fuck. Well, it wasn't fully on, you know, whatever. Mateo?
What's going on?
Yeah, I was like, you look pretty swole on camera. It's all about the forearm strength.
I put them on?
Mateo.
Oh.
But Mateo has impacts, and he was like, no.
Snap on impact. It's on the little compressor.
Whoop. Won't be needing that shit no more.
What are you doing with those?
Sell them?
Your friend doesn't need them?
He might need them.
That's what you need right here.
Yeah, those are the things I was talking about. Or at least a similar design.
They're called Adele clips.
I'll give you an Adele clip.
Ooh. start singing an Adele song. Hello.
From the other side. Don't ever take me to karaoke.
Oh. I don't know why you guys keep teasing me with all these ideas. We'll figure it out one of these.
I don't know, man. 3 sake bottles and I'm singing all night. Cold sake, not that warm shit. It's got to be cold. The warm sake is a whole different beast. I ain't about it.
We got a couple chairs right there, guys.
Tell me the wheel isn't actually pretty comfy.
It's pretty comfortable.
It's pretty comfy, right?
Yeah.
When we had that fire pit going.
Yeah, we had the wheels up. We had the wheels up.
Take a gander at that. Tell me if that's okay with you.
I don't know if they're as heavy as my old set, but they're up there.
Yeah.
Damn. They just look fucking crisp.
Yeah, they do.
I don't like them. Send them back.
Oh.
4 months later. Oh, you gonna add me on the Snappy?
Oh yeah, I'll add you on Snap.
You need to get some like colorful brakes, like red ones.
I need to get rid of them brakes. You see how fucking schmedium they are? Schmedium as fuck. I need some fucking Rolo face or Willow Wood or whatever. Yeah, Willow Wood.
Or your Snapchat.
What's the name?
Dark Alex.
Is it Dark Alex?
Yeah, it starts with dark.
1028, I think.
One word?
Yeah, it's all one word. Hold on. I don't never really message myself, so it's kind of weird. Yeah, Dark Alex 1028, no space.
1028, like that?
Yes, sir.
Boom.
He's got me on the Insta.
Yeah, I don't really add a whole lot of people on Snap. I usually just, it's gonna sound bad, but I like Snap because titties. I usually don't post too much car stuff on it, and when I do,
I mean, hey man, I'll send you some titties, bro. I don't care.
Alright. Yeah, when we went to the range the other day, I was like shooting like poop, and I saw your post, and I was like, oh.
I got him.
Is this all of them?
Yeah, there's already 5 on the
Oh, okay. I
other
was
side.
like, you're missing a couple.
Whose Work Me Eisters are these?
Those are for, those are fake works.
What?
Yeah. They're convincing.
Good. Fake. Who does that?
Show you how you know.
No stamp.
No, no studs. These are plastic.
Oh,
they're
geez.
fake rivets. They're very convincing though.
Womp. I just thought they were like, you know, baby sized for like a, I don't know,
They're like 18.
a Civic or like a 240 or something.
They're on that that gray IS 300 out there. It has
Yeah.
a
I hope I don't have any flux shit on my axe when I get out.
Nah. Nah, you'll be alright.
I remember now, man. We went to the range together, didn't we?
Yeah, you're shooting the 1911
Yeah. And I had the Glock.
and the Glock.
Yeah.
You're probably the best shot there that day.
Yeah, I've been shooting for a long time. Fired thousands of rounds.
Probably be you, then me, Grayson, and then Ryan, because I don't know what he was doing, but it's pretty bad.
Ryan was having a headache that day. Wasn't doing very good.
Oh, he was having a headache because they were shooting that music video in the background. So
Yeah,
like
man.
we were
Thing about indoor ranges, you never know who's gonna be there.
on one side, the 4 of us shooting, and way on the other side, which is only like, it's not that far, there's like 2 dudes and 2 young chicks, and they were just like shooting rapid fire, just, you know, all crazy, not aiming.
They probably rented a couple Glocks.
Yeah, they just got Glocks. They're probably, you know, they were shooting sideways, making a music video. Ryan was yelling at him at the range.
Oh yeah.
He's like, it's not a goddamn music video up in this
I
bitch.
was like, tell 50 Cent and fucking T-Pain to chill out. I was just like, I had a migraine.
The store owner, the range owner comes in. He's like, who's shooting the wall? Like, cut that shit out.
Yeah, those are the kind of guys that like shoot the tape.
impact.
I know. I just like to hand thread it first. I don't want to send these things.
I'll get
Yeah, Ryan learned some things, bro.
I'm not as trusting with the impact.
Trevor's like, get this shit out of here.
This fucking McDonald's car we're working on. What's going on here?
Did you see that post where the guy painted his exhaust tip yellow?
Yeah, what was up with that?
I don't know, bro. I was dying though. I posted the McShook gif.
McShook.
I was about to be like him before GZR band.
I'm fucking shooketh.
Oh, no way. You have a Neochrome sticker?
Yeah, I know, fanboy.
Boy, I got you. I've got Neochrome adrenaline stickers.
Do you?
Yeah.
My man.
I'll give you a couple of them. Yeah, so you want to be a booth car? I heard you want to be a booth car at IFO?
I mean, if you're offering, you know, I'll be there.
I mean, am I going to get to work on this thing ever?
Yeah, whatever you want to do.
Oh, okay. Well, if you put it like that, we can sticker it up and slap it in a booth. Then. Whatever I want to do, huh? 2J swap.
2J swap.
Off rip.
The whole Z community hates me. I'll be like,
Yeah,
it's
but
okay.
You'll be the only guy who doesn't break down every 6 months.
It's kind of true.
I work on a couple of these things. I know how they
I could use the space in the engine bay.
Yeah, I think everybody could.
Yeah, it's one corner.
These wheels or those wheels? I don't know. I think I like mine.
What's that?
I think I like mine better.
I just like Daryl's man. I like his better because he actually makes tracks.
Nah.
I just like the colors.
It's called raspberry. They're really dirty. Yeah, I need to polish them for him, but
I'm just saying that because he's your roommate.